Hey, it's Eva Gemini, and today we're creating a long overdue project for a little special someone. So we actually have 3 dogs that live in our home currently. So we have Milo, we have DJ, and we have Ellie. So this project is specifically for Ellie, who is a senior husky. She's getting older now and her joints are starting to hurt a little bit more. So I wanted to make it more comfortable while she's drinking and eating. Currently, her situation is on the floor, which is not a huge deal right now. I think that's where the other dogs are, but they're Chihuahuas and they're a lot shorter and closer to the ground, so it won't really affect them as much. But for her, I just wanted to build a dog riser for her bowls and make it a little bit more comfortable while she drinks and eats. So I see a lot of different versions of these on the internet, and they are more rustic than I would like, and more farmhouse than my style is. So I wanted to build it closer to our style, just trying to keep it mid-century modern and very, very nice and clean, hopefully. And I'm going to build this out of materials I already have, so this is going to be a nothing new challenge again. I'm not going to buy anything new for this project. I'm just going to use whatever I have because I have lots of scraps that I need to get rid of. And with that, let's get started. I found this piece of half-inch plywood in my scrap collection, and it was already in the rough dimensions I would need, so it's perfect for this project. To make it a little less angular though, I'm going to cut it into a pill shape. First, I found the midpoint of the board, and then I used my handy compass that I had made last year from other scrap wood, and all this is just a piece of wood with holes at each inch. We'll hammer and nail at the 0, and then place the pencil at the appropriate radius length to get semicircles on each end of our board. I'll then cut the excess with my jigsaw. Next, I made the apron. We're going to follow the same pill shape, so I had traced the outer circle onto a piece of pine, and then I drew another circle 2 inches inward. Then I cut 2 of these with my jigsaw. And then I had 2 arches like this, to which I added pocket holes on each end. After placing the curved apron pieces to match the plywood piece, I measured in between to get the remaining straight apron piece. I made sure to measure each one separately in case they were just off by a little bit. Next, I cut 4 2-inch wide legs out of some pine. The legs are going to just butt up to the pill-shaped tray at the ends of the semicircles. I also decided at the end of the day to give all the edges a round over to give it a little bit more detail. Moving back to the tray part, we're going to make a lip to go around the perimeter of the tray. Instead of doing large holes for the bowls, I decided to keep the tray holes so that we have a little bit more versatility and use whatever bowls we want. I used a pattern bit on my router to copy the exact shape of the tray onto the lip. So our next day is all about putting it together. On the underside of the tray, I glued the apron. I used plenty of glue, and then I nail gunned everything on. After that dried, I gave everything a light sand. Then I stained everything using Provincial. I decided to also paint the edges of the tray black in order to disguise the plywood layers. And for the last step, we're going to add the legs using glue and my nail gun. And now let's see what our main lady thinks of our creation. Are we gonna go for it? We're so close. We're so close. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're so close, guys. All right, thank you so much for watching today's video. I am really happy on how this came out. It took a little convincing of trying to get Ellie to the new placement of where the dog bowl was. I think I sat there for like 20 minutes trying to convince her, but she finally did it. And I'm so happy that she likes it. It seems like it doesn't seem like she's uncomfortable drinking water from that height, and she's not bending down as much anymore. I definitely need to add a lacquer finish on top of everything. It is just a little too cold right now to apply the lacquer and have it finish in the way that it's supposed to, because it's like 40 degrees right now. I also was thinking of adding a silicone mat to the top and cutting it to the pill shape so that it's easier to wipe down, especially with the water drippage coming from Ellie and just from the bowl itself. So it would just be easier for cleanup. But yeah, overall, really happy that this came out with all scrap wood, so I didn't have to buy anything new, and it matches our vibe. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye!